So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy fried rice. First we're going to pop 200 grams of rice in a pan, fill it up with plenty of water and pop it on to boil. Whilst waiting for that to cook, I've thinly sliced some button mushrooms, it's about 100 grams, half a bunch of spring onion, some baby corn, chopped some carrots. I've popped some prawns. You could use any meat you wanted, but whatever you use, just pop it on a little cloth, take any moisture out of it. And I've got a couple of eggs. You could use any other veg like red pepper or cabbage, bean sprouts, anything that you like really. As long as it's sliced. Anything that takes a bit longer to cook, you can just throw in at the start. Anything that doesn't need very long, like the spring onions, you can throw in at the end. So it's been about 12 minutes and the rice is just cooked. It's been boiling away nicely. I'm going to strain it off and leave it on the side. So now I'm going to pop the frying pan on as hot as it'll go and get it really nice and hot before I do anything else. So I've got my frying pan on with a couple of tablespoons of oil in. It's red hot, just smoking slightly. I'm going to add my prawns. After 2 minutes, they should be about heated through. You're ready to add the mushrooms. After another 2 minutes, my mushrooms are sweating down nicely. I'm going to add the corn and the carrot. And you will start to notice like lots of liquid will start to come out at this point. And that's fine, doesn't matter. You've fried off what you need to fry off. I'm going to keep heating that. Now it's all steaming hot again. I'm going to add my soy sauce. About 1, 2, 3, 4 good spoons. You can always add more of this later. A pinch of garlic powder. You could use fresh garlic if you wanted. A pinch of Chinese spice. And about, well, half a spoon of paprika. So into that I'm going to add all my rice, nice and carefully. And give it a really good mix. Careful not to throw it all over the side. So now at this point, if you've got anything that doesn't really need much cooking, and you don't want it to go soggy or brown, you can add. So I'm going to put my spring onions in. You could add some fresh coriander, if you had any. And I'm just going to let this fry off and get nice and hot for another 3 minutes. Just keep it moving so that the rice doesn't catch on the bottom. So now that this is sizzling away nicely, I'm going to make a little well in the centre. I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. I'm going to mix that all into my rice. So you want your rice to be really nice and hot because that'll help to cook the egg. Keep stirring it around and it will look and go a bit omelette-y. That's absolutely fine, it's just what you want. If you do have a wok pan, then you can use that and it'll probably be slightly easier. But otherwise, you're absolutely fine in a frying pan. Just be careful not to spill any. So it should only take about a minute or so for the egg to cook through. And you'll be able to see all the little strands like you would in fried rice. And that's it, ready to serve.